Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be filming this video for you today because this is going to be Rosie's Halloween Hutch tour for 2015. Loads of you have been asking like how long it would take me to get this up, and I am finally done. I obviously couldn't go too over the top with decorations because Rosie lives outside and decorations and rain don't really mix very well. So everything is sort of like handmade, there's no store-bought things. It's not the best thing in the world, but I tried my best because loads of you were asking me to do a Halloween themed hutch this year, so I just went ahead, tried to decorate as best as I could, so I really hope that you enjoy. I'm going to start down in the bottom section first of all, and as you can see, Rosie is still on her wood shaving bedding. She has actually moved on to straw since this video was pre-recorded. And as you can see, we also have like an orange and natural sort of theme. There's also lots of green toys in there. So just starting down here, Rosie has her little edible mattress, and just on top of that she has her orange veggie bowl. She has one of these corn leaf broken pencils. Here's the first little DIY and enrichment toy that I have just inside Rosie's natural bed that I got from Violet last year. She has a mixture of dried fruit and hay inside so that she can forage around and find the dried fruit. She's also just got a corn rattle roller in the back. She has her natural treat. This is actually a Christmas toy from the Pets at Home range. Then she has this bright yellow, orange and green loofah hula that just hangs from the top of her ramp. Just going upwards on the ramp, she has these Halloween cutouts that I made. She's got a spider, a witch's hat, a pumpkin and a ghost. Then the wood shavings carry on to the next section of the hutch. And there's also just lots of various different toys down there as well, ranging from natural to Halloween and spooky sort of themed toys. Moving on up to the top section, she is still on her wood shavings now, and just like I said before, she's on straw now because the weather's a lot colder. She has her usual things on the door. So first of all, she has her hay bowl, and that's just filled with some snowflake meadow hay. She has her love heart and flower garland chew. Definitely not the most scary kind of toy I could have picked out, but I don't really have like a Halloween themed garland chew. And then she has her bird mirror toy because I just always leave that on the door because it's one of her favourite things, and she just enjoys looking at herself, I think. Also just on the outside she has her water bottle. So up in this section she has a couple of the DIY witches brooms. There is actually a tutorial on how you can make these on my channel. I'll leave you a link to my latest Halloween video if you're interested in making these. She's also got her food bowl, as you can see. She has her ghost garland thing that's made of natural paper, so it's safe for Rosie to chew whenever she wants to. So moving on into Rosie's bedroom, I didn't go too over the top in here because this is where Rosie litters and eats. So she's got her 2 litter trays. The first one is her corner litter tray, and then she's got her cat litter tray, and that's just stuffed with a little bit more of the snowflake meadow hay. And both of those litter trays are filled with wood-based litter. And then I have another little enrichment toy just in this natural log. I just stuffed it full of hay for Rosie to kind of like rip apart and chew whenever she wants to. So that is Rosie's Halloween sort of themed hutch. I know it's not the best thing in the world, but at least I had a go because obviously I can't go way too over the top because Rosie likes to chew things, and also it rains quite a lot where we live, so unfortunately I can't go to the extremes that some people go to. So I really hope you enjoyed anyway. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a lovely Halloween however you guys are spending it tonight. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!